Aging is often accompanied by changes in the body's ability to bounce back from physical activity. For seniors, even the simplest of exercises like daily walking or gardening may trigger muscle soreness or fatigue. While adequate rest is essential, the real magic for swift recovery lies in the nutritional choices made post-activity. The right foods can significantly speed up the healing of damaged muscle fibers, reduce inflammation, and replenish lost energy. Prioritizing muscle recovery transcends mere recuperation. It safeguards independence, mobility, and the vibrant quality of life cherished in later years. Among the most beneficial foods for recovery is salmon, a powerhouse of high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Each time we engage in physical activity, microscopic tears form in our muscles. Protein is vital for repairing these tears, and salmon reigns supreme as it supplies all essential amino acids necessary for rebuilding muscle. The omega-3 content of salmon further enhances its reparative qualities, particularly for seniors, as these healthy fats mitigate inflammation, a common issue among the aging population. This reduction in inflammation minimizes post-exercise soreness and stiffness. Moreover, omega-3s assist in boosting blood flow to muscles, enabling efficient delivery of oxygen and nutrients critical for swift recovery. Making salmon a regular part of the diet can undeniably ease post-activity recovery while promoting heart and brain health. Another nutritional gem deserving attention is Greek yogurt, packed with both casein and whey protein. This combination offers dual benefits. Whey is quickly absorbed, supplying immediate amino acids to muscles for urgent repair, while casein digests slowly, releasing nutrients over several hours. This gradual nourishment is especially beneficial for seniors who require ongoing support after engaging in activities. Additionally, Greek yogurt hosts probiotics, essential for maintaining gut health, which indirectly supports muscle repair by enhancing the absorption of key nutrients. When paired with antioxidant-rich berries, Greek yogurt not only fights oxidative stress that may hinder recovery, but also bolsters overall health. Lastly, let us not overlook spinach, a humble green powerhouse abundant in magnesium, potassium, and nitrates, all crucial for muscle recovery and function. Magnesium aids in relaxing tense muscles, reducing cramps and stiffness, while potassium is pivotal for maintaining electrolyte balance, especially after sweating during even low-intensity activity. Nitrates found in spinach contribute to improved blood vessel function, ensuring oxygen-rich blood reaches healing muscle tissue more effectively. For seniors, this enhanced circulation translates into quicker recovery times and improved endurance. Additionally, spinach contains plant-derived compounds that may fortify muscles against the declines associated with aging, ensuring ongoing vitality.